In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a highlight circle in Shotcut. This is perfect for drawing attention to part of your footage, like a face, a cursor, or an object you want viewers to focus on. Start by adding a new video track above your main footage. Look for the small hamburger icon at the top left corner of the timeline, click it, choose Track Operations, and then select Add Video Track. This creates a layer where your highlight circle will sit, separate from the main video so you can move and animate it independently. Next, bring in your circle graphic. Click Open File, locate your circle PNG on your computer, and click Open. A transparent PNG works best, so only the ring is visible and the background stays clear. You'll see the file appear in your playlist or as a source. Drag that circle PNG down onto the new video track you just created. If it's already in your playlist, you can simply drag it from there. Make sure the clip lasts as long as you need. You can drag its ends on the timeline to adjust the duration so it stays visible throughout the section you're highlighting. With the circle clip selected, go to Filters, click the plus button, and search for Size, Position, and Rotate. Add that filter. You can now resize and position the circle. Use the handles in the preview or the controls in the filter panel to make the circle fit nicely around your subject. Keep it centered and sized so it's clear but not overwhelming. To animate the circle as your subject moves, enable keyframes for the position control. Click the keyframe icon to the right of position in the filter. Now play or scrub through your video. Whenever your subject shifts, pause and adjust the circle's position so it follows. If your subject moves closer or farther from the camera, adjust the size as well. If it only moves side to side, changing position is enough. Each time you make an adjustment, Shotcut automatically records a keyframe at that moment, capturing your position and size changes. Work through the clip, making small tweaks wherever needed. For precise control, you can move frame by frame while keeping your adjustments smooth and consistent. When you play it back, the circle should track your subject cleanly, thanks to the keyframes you created. And that's it. You added a track, imported a circle PNG, applied the size, position, and rotate filter, enabled keyframes, and adjusted the circle to follow your subject. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell for more tutorials.